Greetings from Hydrotechnic, India's leading hydraulic press manufacturer. We present our rugged, high-performing 250-ton pillar-type hydraulic presses built to deliver versatile functionality for sheet metal factories. Characterized by vertical orientation with the hydraulic cylinder positioned atop a thick stationary steel pillar, these presses occupy a minimal footprint while guaranteeing exceptional stability. Sophisticated hydraulics allow continuously variable 0 to 250 tons force control, faster approach speeds, and full tonnage on final strokes. Robust construction from premium-grade alloy steel ensures a 24/7 duty cycle. Simplify metal processing operations like blanking, bending, and joint with precise stroke length adjustability. Safety is also uncompromised. I invite metal component producers and fabricators to call +919717474831 or email sales@microhydrotechnic.co.in to discuss how our 250-ton pillar tie presses can enhance your production workflows.